And the rest of you is on the tender.
On the tender. Is it tender or tinder?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Tender.
The fuel's right behind you and the water's behind
So
that.
look, so it separates, so our feet are on the engine and our body's on the tinder. Isn't this cool? And this is, you're Cliff, right?
I'm Cliff.
Hi Cliff, and you are Ryan. Hi Ryan.
Are we asking too many questions?
No, you can ask as many questions as you like.
Oh, good. Have you guys been to Walt's Barn?
Yes.
Have you been to Walt's Barn?
One time, yes.
Okay. That's pretty phenomenal to go to Walt's
Got
Barn.
a lot of stuff in there.
Well, good.
So are you the driver, you're the engineer, or how, or how
Well,
does-
right now I'm the engineer and Ryan's the fireman.
Oh,
When we get to New Orleans, I'm going to go on lunch. Ryan's going to engineer and normal fire.
Okay.
We're a three
perfect.
crew. We got 3 people per crew.
so what's your job? I mean, what specifically,
Well,
as an engineer, what do you,
I'm
and-
driving the train. I put it in motion and I stop it.
so, and this is this the brake,
No, this is the throttle.
throttle, and this is a brake?
This is the brake.
Okay,
This brass handle here. And this is the forward and reverse lever.
Oh, okay. And so Ryan, as a fireman, what do you do then?
In a nutshell, I've got a handful of valves here that I'm using to control the size and heat of the fire. And at the same time, I need to monitor how much water I've got inside that boiler. And I've got a couple of valves over here to take water from the tender behind you and to put it into the boiler.
Oh, so the tinder's filled with water?
And it's filled with water and with fuel. If you look behind you, you'll see a crease in the top. That crease,
Oh, like right here, this crease?
that marks the separation between the fuel tank, which you guys are actually sitting on, and the water tank behind you.
Oh, I see.
All right, ladies, you have a magical day.
Thanks, Cliff.
Can you squish
I'm
on
gonna
by? You
sneak
need
out
to
right
get up?
here.
Hold on to the railing, please. Don't fall out.
Oh, yes. 3 points of contact. Safety first.
Bye, Cliff. Thanks.
Bye.
So now, Ryan, you're gonna. So how often do you have to replace the, fill the tank with water?
So we fill it with water once every hour, so every 2 laps.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow, that's a lot of water.
We go through about 100 gallons of water every hour and about 150 gallons of fuel every day.
Wow.
How many trips does one engine? If it comes out at the opening of the park and stays out until the park closes, is that how they normally run?
Well, not exactly.
Oh.
On average, a locomotive is going to be out anywhere from, or if we're doing, say, an 8 to midnight
Right.
day, a locomotive is usually out anywhere from 14 to 16 hours. We have 8-hour shifts.
Okay,
And
so
we have
it'll stay out the whole time?
Yeah, we kind of do a cascading thing where it's one locomotive, then another. We don't bring them all out and
Yeah.
all in at the same time. We'll do about 16 or so trips in an 8-hour period, so give or take anywhere from 30 to 32 trips in a day for a single train.
Wow. I just had no idea you burned that much water and fuel.
Oh yeah,
Man.
we go through a lot of water.
So where do you fill it up? Because I know that this is this is a pretend.
Yeah, normally we would use that. Right now it's being refurbished. So
Oh, where's it being filled? Up here?
I'm sorry.
Are we taking off? Okay.
Yeah, we're getting ready to take off.
I was looking to see where you were filling the water.
When you say filling the water, you mean
Filling your tinder.
Where do you fill the tinder with water?
We do it here, but we have a fire hose that we use right now.
Oh.
So how long does it take to fill it?
Just a single station stop, couple minutes.
Oh, wow.
It doesn't take very long at all.
Well, I guess if you're using a fire hose.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
So who's the new fireman? What's your name?
Norm?
Norm.
Norm.
Hey, Norm.
We're just curious women full of questions, right, Rhoda?
We are.
You guys have more questions people in common? This is what we do for a regular basis, so.
I just love it. Summer knows what his hand is, so I'm telling you, Rose, he does not. Oh, are you filming this? All right. All right. I'll tell you when we're off the record.
fried tomato sandwiches
They
back.
have a new fish sandwich here I read yesterday.
Oh yeah, I
It's
did.
supposed to be pretty good. And they have a pulled pork sandwich at Bengal now also. It's supposed to be pretty
Oh,
good.
good. So how fast can it go?
This particular locomotive, if we weren't pulling any cars and we were on a really flat, straight piece of track, it can do about 30 to 35.
Wow.
Typically, if you're looking at the wheels on a steam locomotive, the wheels that are actually receiving the power, the ones that are connected to the engine, whatever the diameter is in inches, that's how many miles per hour. We have 36-inch drivers, so about 35 miles an hour.
Oh really? I didn't know that. That's interesting.
That only works with
Steam locomotives. Yeah. So how fast does this usually go? Like 5 mi- I mean,
Well, right now we're doing the speed limit, and it comes out to about, I don't know, maybe 9 miles an hour. We're not going very fast, and that's if we're even coming back. We actually do all of our measurements in feet per second.
what was that?
We do all of our speed measurements in feet per second.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we don't do it in miles per hour.
Yeah, because, yeah, I can understand that. 'Cause
Yellow bag.
going through the tunnel. So bringing it to a stop here. Look at that, so smooth. So Norm, how long have you been working here?
I've been here 18 years.
8.
Wow.
You're a veteran.
Always on the train?
Always on the train, or did you start somewhere else?
What's that?
Always on the train, or did you start somewhere else?
Always on the train.
Cool.
Always. All 18 years.
That's very cool.